How to use CVS Specialty Pharmacy feature. To use the CVS Specialty Pharmacy feature, first things first, you simply have to submit your prescription. Ask your healthcare provider to electronically transfer your prescription directly to the CVS Specialty. Then, what you can do is now go ahead and create dedicated account. You simply have to launch the CVS Specialty application, which is separate from the standard retail CVS application, which you can find within your Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Once you download the application itself, go ahead and launch it. Then proceed to link your profile. You simply have to enter your patient details to sync the active specialty prescription your doctor submitted to your digital dashboard. Once you do this, proceed to choose pickup or delivery option and then manage the refills and payments from there. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.